What's going on, everyone? I'm back here with another hard reset. Today we are doing the Cricket Dream 5G. If you have one of these and you have to do a hard reset, show you how to do that. If you haven't yet, subscribe. We got a ton more of these hard resets and teardowns coming up, so we'd appreciate all that support. And just remember, when you do a hard reset, you will delete all the data off the phone. So if you have anything important on here, it's gonna get deleted. And that's kind of important to know, right? So let's get right into this. Say you don't know the password. We want to turn off the phone first. So just hold your power button and it should bring up the power up, power off menu. All right, we'll power it off. Once the phone is off, what we want to do is you have your volume up, volume down, and power buttons all on one side. We're going to hold volume up and power at the same time. I'm going to hold volume up first, and then I'm going to hold power. And that brings us right to our, recovery option right there, as you guys can see. Sorry, camera's trying to autofocus on my finger instead of the actual settings. In this case, you have volume down is okay and volume up is select. So we want to hit volume up to get to recovery, and then we're going to hit volume down to select. All right, so then it should go into recovery mode. All right, so we're at the famous no command screen, and to get past this, we want to hold the power button and then tap volume up. So I'm holding power, tap volume up, and we got past that. And then you want to use your volume buttons to scroll, power button to select. So we're going to scroll to wipe data factory reset, hit the power button to confirm. Once you confirm again, hit the power button to confirm again. Now it's deleting, now it's done, and now we can either reboot or power off. In this case, I'm just going to power it off since we don't need the phone anymore. But that is how you do a hard reset on a Cricket Dream 5G. It's actually a pretty good phone for being a budget phone, but that's how we do a reset. Like I said, if you guys can, comment, share, like, we'd appreciate all that. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.